A night of music and art brings a bit of pressure to young performers like Carly and Kyle Coates.
Nervous?
Why are you nervous?
I don't know.
How do you feel about singing tonight?
Good.
What do you like about singing?
The sound.
But it also shows off months of practice for the fourth Festival Under the Stars by Duncan Wildcats like Brody Waters.
I feel pretty good about it
Why is that?
because they're pretty good songs.
The walls of the gym display hundreds of students' work in the Art Masterpiece program supported by the Phoenix Art Museum. Their versions of the Buddhist footprint, to Easter eggs, to hats modeled after Christopher Columbus as they find their own destinies, to photos representing what's important in their lives, show how they interpreted the material. Outside in the hall is their version of a world stage event ready for anyone who wants to participate. Francie Harris brought the program to Duncan.
I just feel like that art and music expand children's horizons. They actually increase the capacity for academic learning, I believe, and they provide variety, plus they're fun.
The evening had technical support from Arizona's generation and transmission cooperatives through Duncan Valley Electric Cooperative, of which Dusty Robinette is a new board of directors member.
This is what it's all about. This is what community is. This is when the school and organizations come together, like DVAC, where we come together and we support each other and we support our kids. This is what these events are all about, what community means.
Tonight makes parents like Kim Waters and Jimmy Sue Jones proud.
It means the world, seeing your kids perform and, the hard work that they've put in pay off, and he's come home and has been really excited about it. So it's good. It's a good thing.
And I guess they've worked on this all year. It's a program, so I guess it's a pretty big deal for them as well as us to come and get to watch them.
And it gives something new to think about to young minds like Diego Montoya.
Color eggs and color a foot. Yeah.
What did you like the most about the art?
The colors.